Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through Bogwalk in St Catherine. Now this is the town of Bogwalk. It has a population of about 14,000 people. It's a relatively small town, but it's right as you exit the Bogwalk Gorge, and it's mostly it has a lot of residential areas, but it's mostly a commercial area with a lot of factories, manufacturing plants, the most popular of which is probably True Juice. The True Juice is made over here. They have a plant, and we're going to look at it in a little bit. Nestle also has a plant over here, and it's very close to Kingston. It's very close to Spanish Town. So it's a good location to have these manufacturing plants for, and then to store the goods and distribute them. Okay, this is the True Juice plant. Straight ahead. Official name is Tradewind Citrus Limited, but they make the True Juice. Okay, we're not going to be able to go in there. Alright, right here now you see these train lines, or this train track. Now this area is very popular for the citrus. You have a lot of land where the oranges are grown and the different fruits are grown. And so there was a train track once. Well, the track is there, but a train system. It doesn't run anymore, but it used to operate where the train would run from Bogwalk all the way back to Spanish Town. And that was in the height of when this area, well, this area is still known for citrus, orange juice, those kind of things. But there was a time when the train used to run to transport it, but it doesn't operate anymore. I think it stopped running from back in the 60s. But the tracks are still there. Now, if we had, when we came out of the True Juice facility, if we had turned left, that road would have taken us back to Linstead. But we turned right and we're heading back into the town of Bogwalk. On the right is the Bogwalk police station. Okay, straight ahead on the left, that's Juicy Patty's location, very popular. I think it's the only fast food restaurant you're going to find once you exit the gorge till you reach Ocho Rios. Alright, so this is now the Bogwalk roundabout. If you had gone left, that would take us towards Linstead. That's the main road. And when we're going this direction now, where we're going to exit on the left here, this will take us back to the Bogwalk Gorge. So if we drove through the gorge, we would end up in Spanish Town and go over the famous flat bridge. Now, if we have to drive over Sligoville, the gorge is closed or blocked, then on the left here now, we haven't come up, after we go over the bridge there's a left turn, and that's where you would drive to go over Sligoville. If you go straight, you go into the Bogwalk Gorge. So this turn here on the left takes us into Spanish Town over Sligoville. Alright, so we are on our way to Linstead, so we're going to go right. If we had gone left, that takes us into the Bogwalk Gorge and towards Spanish Town. Alright, so we're coming back up to the Bogwalk roundabout, and we're going to go straight across and continue on our journey. I'm not sure what the name of this road is. I'm not sure if this road even has a name. But on the left here now, that takes us into the Bogwalk town. I don't think it's a Bogwalk bypass. I'm not sure what the name of this road is. If anybody knows, you can leave a message in the comment section. Now we're back on the main road and we're heading towards the Linstead area. Bogwalk has a lot of manufacturing plants. But True Juice is probably the most popular one. When you think of Bogwalk, you naturally think of the oranges and True Juice. But there are many others. If you want to drive to Ocho Rios or Linstead, Yuaton, Monique, this is the road you would take if you don't want to go on the highway. On the left, they could take that road and it takes you back into the Bogwalk area. on the left is a new gas station that was recently built. It's called King's Landing. And I'm not sure if you guys remember the show Game of Thrones. There was a city called King's Landing. Okay, on the left is a housing development. It's King's Landing Country Club. Some very nice homes over there. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.